DIY measurement. Finding 1 gram around the house.
Hello, DIY enthusiasts and curious minds. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that's both practical and fascinating: how to measure 1 gram using household items. So, whether you're a hobbyist, a cooking aficionado, or simply curious, let's dive right in.
What does 1 gram look like?
To start off, it's important to understand the concept of a gram. A gram is a unit of mass in the metric system that's equivalent to 1/1000th of a kilogram. In practical terms, a paperclip or a pinch of salt typically weighs about 1 gram. This gives us a rough idea of what we're trying to measure.
Using common household items.
Now, let's look at some common household items that we can use to approximate a gram. 1. Paperclip. As previously mentioned, a standard-size paperclip weighs about 1 gram. This is a rough approximation, and the actual weight can vary slightly based on the size and style of the paperclip. 2. Dollar bill. If you're in the United States, a dollar bill weighs exactly 1 gram. So, if you need to weigh something and you have a dollar bill at hand, you're all set. 3. Thumbtack or pushpin. Another item commonly found around the house that weighs approximately 1 gram is a thumbtack or pushpin. Remember, these are all approximations, and for highly precise measurements, a more accurate tool like a digital scale would be necessary.
Using spices or food items.
Another way to estimate a gram is using food items, especially spices. 1. Salt. A pinch of salt, the kind you'd use to season a dish, is approximately 1 gram. Keep in mind that this is a rough estimation and will vary based on how much you can pick up between your fingers. 2. Sugar. Similarly, a pinch of sugar can also equate to approximately 1 gram. Again, remember these are approximations, not precise measurements. For baking and other activities that require precision, use a kitchen scale. There you have it. We've explored a variety of household items that can give you a rough idea of what 1 gram feels like. The next time you're in a pinch, pun intended, and need to estimate a gram, remember these items. Of course, for anything requiring a high degree of accuracy, nothing beats a proper scale. Thank you for watching, and stay curious, everyone.